Good morning, students. Students, today we are going to start EVS chapter number second, and the name of our chapter is People with Special Needs. Okay, in this chapter we will learn about physically challenged people. Okay, physically challenged people. Second one, old people need care. Okay, in this chapter we will learn about physically challenged people. Okay, those people who have some disabilities. Okay, do you know how do blind people read and write? Okay, how do blind people read and write? Blind people read and write with the help of braille system. Okay, blind people read and write with the help of braille system. Okay, first Indian woman to win a medal in Paralympic games, she is deepika Deepa Malik. Okay, she is Deepa Malik. Okay, physically challenged people. Most of us are lucky to have good health. Okay, we are lucky because we have a good health, because we don't have any disability. We can speak, hear, see, and do things with our organs. Okay, we can see properly, we can hear properly. Okay, with our organs. Okay, but there are many peoples who cannot see, they call blind, who cannot hear, they call deaf, or who cannot speak, they call dumb. Such peoples are called physically challenged people. Okay, those peoples who cannot see, who cannot hear, and who cannot speak, they are called physically challenged people. Okay, they go to special schools. Where they go for study? They go to special schools for study. Okay, they are taught the same things as in other schools, but in a different way. Okay, they also taught the same things like us. Okay, they also taught the same things by the teacher, like us, but they taught in a different way. Okay, teachers use a sign language and some scripts to taught them. Okay, we can help physically challenged people by spending time with them and making them feel loved and wanted. And how we can help a physically challenged people? We give a time to them. Okay, we spend a more time with them, and we give a special care. Okay, we give a love to them. Okay, here are few things we can do to show our love for them. Okay, how we can show love for them? There are some things given. Okay, now we read that. Help them feel normal by being friendly to them. Okay, we always behave with them friendly. Okay, we behave with them friendly. Okay, help them in their daily chores. Okay, we also help them in their daily works. Okay, encourage them to go to school and study. Okay, because these people feel shame to go to school. Okay, so we encourage them, we motivate them to go to school and study. Okay, take them out for picnics. Okay, we also take them out for picnics because there they feel happy. Okay, be kind and sensitive to them. We be kind meaning we also we always help them, and we show a sensitive behavior toward them. Okay, we always help them. Now next is hearing problems. Okay, some people cannot hear properly. Okay, some people have a hear problem, they cannot hear properly. Some people cannot hear due to old age. Okay, when a people grow old, they cannot hear properly. They may use a hearing aid. It is a small instrument worn in the ear which amplifies the sound and allows the person to hear more clearly. Okay, these people who can't hear properly, they use a hearing aid. It is a small instrument. Okay, which we can wear in the wear in the ears. Okay, and it amplify the sound, it modify the sound and make the sound more clear. Okay, so people able to hear. Okay, so people that hear properly. Some people who cannot hear at all are called deaf. Okay, some people cannot hear at all. Okay, they are not able to hear with the help of that hearing aid. Okay, so these are called deaf. Okay, hearing aid is of no use for them. Okay, so though that hearing aid not useful for them. Okay, with the help of hearing aid they also not able to hear. Okay, so they are called a deaf. Such people use sign language to understand what is being said. Okay, so these people use a sign language. Okay, we show a signs to them, then they able to understand what we want to say. Sight problems. Okay, now sight problems, that is related to our eyesight. Okay, when we grow old, our eyesight become weak. Okay, in a older age our eyesight become weak. Okay, when our grandparents have a weak eyesight. Okay, so we take help of spectacle. Okay, so we take a help of spectacle. Okay, that is a specs. Okay, in short we said the specs. So we take a help of specs. With the help of specs we can see properly. Some people who cannot see at all, such people are called blind. Okay, but some peoples they not able to see at all. Okay, with the help of spectacles also not. Okay, so these peoples are called blind. Okay, they cannot see at all. Okay, they use the script on which they move their fingers to feel different. Okay, what they use a script. Okay, they use a script on which they move their fingers. Okay, this is a script on which they move their fingers to feel different patterns of phrase tossed to read. Okay, for reading something they use they use the script. Okay, with the help of a fingers, and they feel and they read that way. Okay, this script is called braille. Okay, this script is called braille. It was developed by Louis Braille. Okay, this is called a braille script. Okay, it is used by blind peoples. Okay, and it was developed by Louis Braille. Okay, who developed it? Louis Braille developed that script. Okay, so those peoples who cannot who cannot see at all. Okay, these are called blind. Okay, so they use a braille script to feel the things. Okay, to feel or to read. Okay, so the next chapter we study in next video. Thank you to all.